Hello friends, welcome back to Simply Study. I am Nidhi and today we are going to learn the second skill, that is teamwork. Now teamwork is an essential part of both our personal as well as professional life. We have many projects to undergo, day-to-day activities wherein we have to get involved with many people around. So here are my 4 tips on how can you improve your teamwork. The A for teamwork says appreciate other people's opinion. While you are working in team, there are a lot of people involved. Everyone is different, everyone is unique, they have their different opinion. As a team member, you should appreciate what other people think. The B for teamwork is to build a team. Now many times we are lucky enough to choose our own team members, but if we are not lucky enough, then what? Then whatever team you are given in school and colleges, many times compulsorily you are given projects to work with this particular people. Then at that moment you have to work on building a team, building a relationship, building a foundation with those people, and only if you have a proper team will you be able to do any other work with these people. The C for teamwork is to contribute to your work more than others. Here you are not supposed to compare that is this person doing more and this project is responsibility of this person. No, as a team member you have to focus on what you are contributing to the project. And last but not the least, the D for teamwork. D is very important. This is dispute management. Now you must be thinking, why should we think negatively? Why will there be any dispute? We are all cordial friends. See, all of us have different opinion. Everyone is unique. So there may be a simple kind of dispute or a big issue between team members. So how can you improve that? If you are not a part of the dispute, if let's say 2 of your team members are having some issues, then you can be the mediator, talk to this person, talk to the other person and find out a middle way out of it. If you are a part of the dispute, then what will you do? Then you have to talk to your elders, think about the situation. How can you improve this? The project is your bigger aim. The work which you are given is your final aim, and not to fight with your friends and team members. So dispute management is a very important thing which you should keep in mind and work on. So I'll just repeat again. A is for appreciation, B is for building a team, C is to contribute to your work, and D is for dispute management. If you understand these 4 things, then you will be able to work in a team much more effectively than if you would work otherwise. Okay friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'll come up with next videos on next Wednesday and Friday in this same series.